In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view refunds on Shopify and track returned orders with ease. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click Analytics from the left-hand menu. Next, select Reports to access Shopify's reporting tools. In the search bar, type Returns or Refunds and open the relevant report. You can also view individual refunds by clicking Orders and opening a specific order. Any refunded amount will be displayed within the order timeline and payment summary. Use the date filter at the top of the report to review refunds for a specific day, week, month, or custom date range. The report will show important details such as refunded orders, returned products, refund amounts, and return trends, helping you better understand your store's performance. That's it. You can now view refunds on Shopify and keep track of returns and refunded transactions efficiently. Thanks for watching.